When you import an XML into Premiere, even if you already have the media in the project, it will most likely duplicate the files and clutter up your project, unless you use shared projects or Premiere Productions, which is kind of annoying. Maybe they have fixed this by now, but I am not sure. In DaVinci Resolve, you have the option of not re-importing media into the project from an XML, which allows you to keep your media organized. You can click or unclick the automatically import source clips into the media pool, which gives you the option not doubling up the media.